All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another weekly setup. So these are the pairs I'm willing to analyze and take for this new week. So I'm done analyzing over 20 pairs, and these are the pairs I am willing to see this new week. So the very first pair here is AUD JPY. AUD is bearish on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame is also bearish, right? The 4 hour time frame is also bearish. So we have three time frame in sync. We have some form of ugly left head, right shoulder. We have a clean area of interest. If I check on a daily time frame, you can see that the area of interest is a very valid one, right? So what I'll simply be looking for is a way to continue selling, right? If you look on the daily time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, you can also see that that area of interest has multiple reactions from that same area right here, right? So I'm willing to continue selling this market. So what I'll simply be waiting for is a break and retest under this level, under this particular level right here, and a retest for me to be able to continue selling, right? So that is the first market I'm interested in taking this week, right? The next market is Euro USD. So on the daily time frame, Euro USD is actually bearish, right? So if you look on Euro USD right now, you can see that Euro USD is currently bearish, creating new lows each time, right? And now it has had a retracement back into area of interest where price have reacted multiple times before, right? So now that price is around that level, the daily time frame is bearish. Now we have to look for the 4 hour to turn bearish as well, because we don't have two time frame in sync. So we need 4 hours to turn bearish, and I need price to actually create a new high and then shift that high to have the retest for me to sell. That is the second pair for this week. The third pair is AUD card. Now this is one of my favorite pairs this week, right? So let's see what I was looking for. So what I was looking for here is very simple. This the daily time frame is actually bearish, right? This right here is the lower low, and this is the lower high, right? Price has come around that area and is deciding to be bearish right now. So we're actually using the 4 hour area of interest on this one, right? As you can clearly see, this is the 4 hour area of interest. So let me show you guys. From this area, price have rejected it multiple times, right? This is pretty much just a trading range at this point. Right now, the price is now back inside area, and we are having some form of left head, right shoulder. I'm waiting for a retracement back into somewhere around here to continue selling, and hopefully we'll sell all the way to this next area right here, right? So on the longer version, I explained this a little bit more better, and this will also be a clean one for me to actually take. So these are the three favorite pairs I'm actually paying close attention to this week. We also have two more pairs, CAD JPY for buys, break and retest above here for buys, right? And USD JPY, we're also looking for a break and retest above here for buys. Again, I'm going to update you guys in the Telegram group. So if you want to join, just click on this link right here, right? Then you can see the Telegrams right here. If you click it, you can just simply join the Telegram. Last week we actually made 4%. Personally, I would have closed more than 4% for last week, but I got stopped out on one of the pairs, right? So this week we hope to make more money, right? Last upper week we didn't take any trade because there was no opportunities in the market, but this right here we have an opportunity to actually buy or sell this week. So I'll actually be updating you guys on the Telegram, and that's pretty much it. Remember to turn your notifications on, very important. Turn your notifications on so that anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will send you a notification letting you know that Zico Forex just dropped another banger video, and then you can just jump right into it and start winning before everybody else, right? Very simple. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys next week.